What's up YouTube? It's Matrix Trades. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to go from point A to point Z in terms of buying SAFEMOON and SAFEMARS. These cryptocurrencies are supported on the Binance Smart Chain Network. I'm going to show you how to add that, how to buy BNB on Binance, the whole process. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, drop a like on the video, and yeah, let's jump right in. So the first thing you're going to want to do is head over to metamask.io. All right, if you're on your computer, go ahead and download it and add it to your Chrome extensions, as you can see here. If you're on your phone, go ahead and download the Metamask app and set up your account. So once you have your Metamask downloaded, you're only going to see the Ethereum mainnet. All right, once you have that account set up, what you're going to want to do is click right here. You're going to want to go to settings. You're going to go to networks, and you're going to want to add a network. Okay, you're not going to see this Binance Smart Chain new RPC. You're going to add a network. All right, these inputs are going to be in the description below, so you can easily copy and paste them as you're filling this in. And this is going to allow you to access the Binance Smart Chain Network, which is where you're going to be purchasing your SAFEMOON and SAFEMARS. All right, so go ahead and fill that out and then hit Add Network. And once you have that network added, you're going to want to select it under the drop bar. It's going to take you to your wallet, as you can see here. You're not going to see these coins yet, but don't worry, I'm going to show you how to add those after you have it purchased. All right, from there, the next thing you're going to want to do is head over to Binance. If you don't have a Binance account yet, feel free to go to the description below. I have my referral link, and using that link to sign up, you'll save a percentage on the trading commissions as well. So go ahead and set up a Binance account, and from there, you're going to want to either deposit some cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Cardano, and then or you can go and actually buy cryptocurrency on Binance with a card, credit card, or a debit card, depending on where you are and what bank you use. So just put some money into Binance essentially. All right, once you have some either crypto or fiat money in Binance, like USD or CAD, you're gonna want to purchase or trade it into BNB. BNB is Binance's native token, and that is where you're gonna be trading into SAFEMOON and SAFEMARS. All right, so for example, you had Bitcoin, you sent it over to your Binance. You're going to want to head over to the spot market. You're going to want to trade BNB, BTC, and you're going to want to sell your Bitcoin under here as a market order, put it to 100, and sell that Bitcoin into BNB. Once you have that BNB, you're going to head over to your wallet. You're going to go to your fiat and spot wallet, which is where the BNB is. You're going to hit withdraw. What you're going to want to do is head over back to Metamask. You're going to open that up, and here you're going to copy your address on the Binance Smart Chain new RPC network. Make sure you are not on the Ethereum mainnet network. You must be on the new Binance Smart Chain new RPC network, the one we just added, and then you're going to click right here, copy to clipboard, that's your address. You're going to head over back to Binance. You're going to make sure you're using the BEP20 BSC network. Okay, you're going to paste your address like that right into there. You're going to withdraw your BNB. And then after you withdraw it, it'll take about 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 minutes. And then you'll see it in your Metamask wallet. Okay, so here you're gonna see, or however much you send, be added to your wallet. Okay, now once you're gonna wanna do from there, for example, I'm gonna start with SAFEMOON. All these links will be in the description below. You're gonna head over to the Pancake Swap, token imported. You're gonna click understand, continue. You're gonna click connect. You're gonna hit Metamask, and then it'll connect your wallet. And from there, you hit max. Under settings, I usually like to set it to around 10, 11%. If it's a bit lower, you might get some errors. If that's an error you're getting, be sure to turn up the slippage. That usually tends to sort it out. You're gonna want to swap that into BNB. All right, so for example, I can take my SAFEMOON that I have right now, and I'll be able to value it at this current moment into USDT. It's about 660 US dollars. All right, so once you have it swapped, once you swap the BNB into the SAFEMOON, you're gonna wanna head over to Metamask. You're gonna wanna click Add Token. And from here, you're gonna put in custom token, the address. All right, this is gonna be in the description below as well. You're gonna go ahead and copy this address, and you're gonna paste that right there. All right, for me, it already says token has been added, but for you, it's gonna pop up and say SAFEMOON with 9 decimals of precision. You're gonna click next, add token, and then considering it went through on the blockchain, which you can see here, once it goes through, it should pop up in your Metamask wallet. And it's really the same process for both SAFEMOON, SAFEMARS, and all of the other altcoins that are traded on the BSC network. They all use the similar process. Just make sure you know where your money's going. At the end of the day, a lot of these coins won't be around in months, years, so make sure you're investing responsibly and only risking what you can afford to lose, right, at the end of the day. So it's really the same process with SAFEMARS as well as SAFEMOON. You're going to head over to the Pancake Swap link, and then from there you're going to hit accept, import the token, and then swap your BNB into your SAFEMARS, and then add the token to the Metamask wallet, same way we did with SAFEMOON. Alright, so it's a fairly straightforward process. Alright, now when you want to sell back into, let's say for example, US dollar, what you're going to want to do is you're just going to want to swap it back into BNB. Okay, you're going to be receiving BNB on Pancake Swap into your Metamask wallet. Alright, you're going to go back over to Binance. Alright, you're going to go overview, deposit crypto, and you're going to deposit BNB. Alright, you're going to be using the BEP20 network. You're going to copy this address. You're going to head over back to MetaMask. You're going to click send, paste that address, and send your BNB right back to Binance. Once your BNB hits Binance, you can trade it back into, let's say, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or if not, you can sell it back into a stable coin, and then from there you'll have a value of the US dollar, like USDT or USDC. Alright, I hope I covered all of the points in order to make it very clear on how to go about selling and buying both SAFEMOON and SAFEMARS. Alright, you'll come to see it's not too difficult, but there are a lot of elements, which is why some people can get confused. Alright, so I will be responding to comments. If you have any, feel free to drop them in the comments below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.